What's good, y'all? I'm so excited I can't even speak. Today is tune day for Big Red. She's right here. She's ready. She's ready for some action, so I'll be filming some pools today. Tuning with Abraham. Abraham tuning at Import DPS in Philadelphia. So let's go. Let's see what we get done today. See y'all in a little bit, so let's get lit. Let's go. Hi, I'm back with you guys now, and we got Big Red on the dyno. We had it here for a while though, cause my tuner Abraham, he was doing some wiring for me of the air fuel ratio, the shift light, and just setting up the new ECU. So we got some injector clips to do. Once we swap out these injector clips real quick, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know it's a little loud in here, so we got all the fans running, but we almost good to go. Comment below right now before we see the pools how much you think we're gonna make. How much? Talk to me. We're tuning in Crew 16 again, so I'm happy to be back at the dyno again. So let's see what we do. I mean, God willing, everything works out and everything checks out. Abraham is amazing at what he does, so I have full trust in his work. So let's see what happens. Let's see him here. Almost ready to go. You're the only one in the shop right now. We're working overtime. Anyway, I get back with you in a little bit. Show y'all the pools. Now it's time. I got my boy Abraham here. So we about to turn this bad boy on. Y'all see me? How it look behind me, huh? How it look? Look good? My boy Mango. Look, I got my boy Mango over there. About to be lit. And it's nighttime. And it's nighttime. Put a little tea. Let's see what this bad boy gonna do. This is the moment we've been waiting for already for like a year. So we're gonna see what we could do, see how much power we make. We had some wiring issues, but now we got to sort it out. We're gonna see what we do. What's good, guys, man? Had a long day. I'm super tired, but Abe is getting ready. He's about to take the first pull in the car. So got the car inside. We got to stand out here because we don't want to be close to it, but we're about to see. Once he does the pull, I'll show you guys up here what the first pull did. So it's about to go down. Let's see if I got another angle for you guys. I'm sorry my energy is down. I'm a little tired already. We're about to see what Big Red do. I know it's the moment everybody's been waiting for. So hopefully it behaves. All right, let me check what time it is right now, because I want to let you guys know. It's 12:38 a.m. and we're still working. Take this as a never give up. We went through so many like little small wiring issues, and now we actually ready to take some pulls. Just enjoy for a few minutes. Let me show you guys the first pass coming up right now. Y'all see what the first pull did? 372 horsepower. And the torque was 228.65 at 82 miles an hour. Let me show you that graph. Let me show y'all what time it is too, man. What time it is? You got the phone? Let me show them the time. 2:17 in the morning. This is why you can't give up, man. We've been dealing with issues all day, little wiring issues here and there. Let's see what we make on this pool. Let's go. Ooh, 616 horsepower at 124. The torque is at 354. Oh my God. And we talking stock sleeves, no CSS, no black guard. What you guys think, huh? What you guys think about this? Look at that power band too. See it climbing? We not done yet. We not done yet though. Let's go for this third pass now. This is the third pass. What we gonna make now? Let's go. Oh Lord, 677 horsepower. How much torque? 392. Oh my God, we just keep gaining and gaining. Let's see where we end up. Let's see. Maybe we give it another pass. Let's see. Let's get this last pull. The way it's going. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. Let's see what Big Record can handle. Ooh, 700 horsepower on stock sleeve. The torque is 410. Oh my God. Oh my God. What's up? What do you guys think? Huh? I'm proving a point, or I ain't proving a point right now? Woo, that's a lot of jam. Oh my God, I'm so tired. It's like 3 in the morning and I'm happy, but I'm so tired. My body can't even show how happy I am, but I'm super excited. It's lit. It's lit. Trust me.